Hey everyone, hope you're keeping yourself safe and motivated. Today we'll be painting one of the most beautiful subjects in watercolors, and it is also a little complicated one. So let's begin. So here I start with applying water over my circle, which you can draw using a compass or the cap of a container, and then I'm using ivory black color and I have diluted it very well before doing my base layer. Now here you can follow your instincts, or you can use a picture from internet as reference. Now you must know that my paper is still wet when I'm adding dark values over and over again, and by dark values I mean more pigment and less water. And now I'll be adding some salt to give my moon some texture. Next, using clean damp brush and some tissues, I'm cleaning the area which is still wet and lifting the color to reveal very bright parts of my moon. These are also called craters, which are basically bowl-shaped depression on the ground of moon. And if you look at the pictures of the moon, these areas shine brightly. So I'm lifting the color from all the places where I want my craters to be. So I removed my salt and I'm laying another layer of water to apply more colors for more depth. This time I'm also adding some water to create texture and for letting the texture that has been lying underneath to show through. Meanwhile, I also keep wiping my paint from the craters because I want them to look bright. Using the same color but of light value and a detailer brush, I am giving definition to my crater. Now if you notice, I've also sprinkled some salt on the darkest part of my moon, if it's visible to you. I'm even creating some small craters. So here's a clip of how I created my craters. These are at the top, on the sides and at the bottom. So you have to outline the bottom of your crater with using a thin brush and dark value. And if you're confused where to outline it, you can rotate your moon and understand or figure where the bottom lies. Now the area that I'm marking with pencil is where your highlight is going to be, and I will use jelly roll pen for highlighting this part. So this is almost less than half of your circle or of your oval. Coming back to my moon, I'm using light value of my color and I'm choosing the bright parts of my moon to create the craters so that they can be visible to you. And I'm creating these shapes that look like craters. Whereas on the dark areas, I'm using the clean damp brush to reactivate the paint, lift it off and create these shapes of craters. I'm dotting it with jelly roll pen and layering it with another transparent layer using water so that my highlights don't look overwhelming and so that they look a part of my moon. This method lessens the brightness and merges it with the other parts of the moon or other parts of the picture. The method is also called glazing. Now that I've applied water, I decided to play a little more around with my dark values since most of the parts in my moon are bright. Since I distorted my circle, I decided to cut it in the right shape at least, and clearly I couldn't do that as well. So I fixed the whatever shape it was to a fresh sheet. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for making me a part of your day.